For several years now, we've seen some fantastic 2D games created in Unity, but we didn't always make life easier for those making 2D games, but they've kept coming all the same, and we've seen some amazing products that have appeared on our asset store to help users making 2D games. We know everybody wants to make the game that they want to in Unity, and if that's a 2D title, we believe that they should have the tools that they need out of the box, which includes our free version. That's why we've been working on native 2D tools for Unity. We've added support for Sprites, 2D default behavior for the scene view and importer, a complete 2D physics engine, plus many optimizations and adjustments to the existing Unity workflows to make them more appropriate for 2D game development. And because these tools are built on top of the Unity that you know and love, you can mix 2D and 3D with ease. As a preview of these tools, we're releasing a demo project for beta users that shows off the new tools and workflows. Let's take a look at it now.
This platform shooter is completely built with the new 2D tools. To start out with, we've added Sprites as an importer type in Unity and added automatic slicing, so whether you're bringing in an individual sprite or a sheet of many, you'll have no problems. Once your sprites are created, you'll see them inside the project window as a hierarchy with the individual elements beneath it. From here you can simply drag and drop these sprites into the scene to automatically create your clip and animator controller. And right away, you have a working animated sprite to add to your game. Our characters are created from a number of sprites which are arranged in the scene, and animated with the newly upgraded animation window. We've added dope sheet functionality to the timeline, and a number of other tweaks to the UI to make it easier than ever to animate properties. Once animated, the character is then driven by the animator, which controls all of our animation states and lets us easily trigger these animations with the new trigger parameter from code.
Our scene view shows us a pure 2D view of the scene with this new toggle. And to ease sorting of 2D graphics, we've added sorting layers to Unity. These live with the existing tags and layers and can be ordered here in the inspector. We then apply them to the renderer of an object, and hey presto, it's sorted. To make life even easier, we've added support for locking of these layers so that when working on foreground elements, users won't accidentally drag the background elements by mistake. In our game, everything is controlled by physics via a new box 2D implementation. We have 2D equivalents of rigid bodies, colliders, joints, and physics materials. All control of the characters and effects work with these, so we can have as much mayhem as we like. We'll be adding even more to these 2D tools in Unity, and we have some cool stuff in store. We can't wait to see the awesome games you're going to create with this new toolset.